Shrimp Lejon. Not many people know what Shrimp Lejon is, nor have they ever had it. Shrimp Lejon is something that my mom always made growing up. Maybe a little more often during the holidays or New Year's Eve, but I always could smell these the second she popped them in the oven. And now I'm making them in the Blackstone air fryer. And I have to say, my husband told me that these were the best shrimp he has ever had anywhere. And let's be real, I cook a lot of seafood. We're gonna start by using a large shrimp. Make sure that they're butterflied enough to be able to stuff a little bit of something into them, which is gonna be our freshly prepared horseradish. Fresh prepared horseradish from the refrigerated section in your refrigerator. You're just gonna simply put some of that, as much as you can, fit into each shrimp. And then we're gonna use thin cut bacon. Why do we want thin cut bacon? Because shrimp only take 5-6 minutes to cook. So we don't want to be waiting for our bacon to cook and then essentially overcooking our shrimp, which would not be good. So once they are stuffed, we're just gonna wrap a thin layer of bacon around the shrimp. Tuck in the bacon to make sure that it's nice and tight and it won't come apart. Once your shrimp are ready to rock and roll, we're just gonna put these into our preheated Blackstone. I preheated my Blackstone to medium high heat. I'm gonna put my shrimp into that air fryer and let them go. I'm gonna let them cook for about 3 minutes and then I'm going to check on them. If they look like they need to be flipped over to cook evenly, give them a quick little flip. If not, let them keep going. Once they are done, take them out and serve them up right away, immediately, with your favorite dipping sauce. My mom always served these up alongside freshly made Thousand Island dressing. Thousand Island dressing is so easy to make, and you could stick it in the refrigerator and eat it all week long with other dishes. If you guys make this one and enjoy it and love it, be sure to post it, tag us, and be sure to visit us at blackstoneproducts.com for more recipes. I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.